What's the meaning of bake sale? Bake sale. Bake sale.
Bake sale. Bake sale. A bake sale is a fundraising event where baked goods are sold to raise money for a specific cause or organization. Typically, the baked goods are made by volunteers and community members who donate their time and resources to support the cause. The types of baked goods sold at a bake sale can vary widely, including cookies, cakes, muffins, breads, and more. Bake sales are often organized by schools, churches, nonprofit organizations, and community groups, with proceeds going towards programs or initiatives that benefit the local community or a larger charitable organization. Bake sales offer a fun and tasty way for communities to come together and support a worthy cause.